Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 had a great day today. It was up 1.1%. And after hours yesterday, Tesla announced their earnings and sales better than expected. Stock went up, ended up 11% for the day altogether. The market opens up. We get the gross domestic product report for the fourth quarter. It's better than expected, 2.9%. There was expectation is 2.7. Both those numbers are pretty good, actually. The economy has definitely been growing here in the second half of last year, no doubt. And then we got a report from the first-time unemployment claims, which was better than expected also. So for that group that's mostly worried about what's happening with, a recession, I think that helps, and the market's certainly moving upward, because some of that pressure might be relieved. Doesn't mean we won't have a recession at some point later on in this year, and we'll have to see how this plays out. But nonetheless, that's, good news. Earnings have been better than expected altogether, and we're seeing some movement upward because of that. Although we did hear from Intel today, and their stock is down after hours here 5%, and they missed on their numbers and what have you. We're hearing that from semiconductor companies, as we did with Micron last year also. So I wouldn't be surprised to hear that some more from some other semiconductor companies. But what we're seeing right now is that the S&P 500 has moved through its 200-day moving average. It's closed above the 200-day moving average for 4 days in a row. It has also closed for 4 days in a row above the trend line that has been drawn across the top of the downturn for the S&P 500. Those are classic things that are usually the start of a primary trend. It's not enough to say that we're in a new primary trend to the upside. We really need to get above the 4,100 level, which was the last top that we had. We hit that twice and backed off. We're at 40.60 right now, so we're close. So we'll see what happens. And part of recovering and changing trend is, getting to new highs, because essentially what's happening is we've been hitting lower highs all the way down. And so we get above 4,100, that would be above a high that we hit. The next high above that is 4,300. We get above 4,300, I think you could probably say pretty strongly that the new trend has started and we're moving upward. Now, not saying that's going to happen. This could be just a move that's happening because there's so many people shorting the market and different things like that. But the market is going in the right direction, and there's a lot of green. There's an awful lot of buying that's been happening really since about the 6th of January this year. So January is turning out to be a pretty good month. Earnings aren't bad. They're expected to be bad. I flip through, 50 to 100 articles a day, and man, so many of them are negative about what's going to happen here and how much the market's going to fall and how earnings are going to miss and those types of things. And they might be right eventually here for the year, but they certainly haven't been right, for the first quarter here as far as that goes. So good day. Hopefully we'll continue to do well, find out what happens tomorrow. I have my live show tomorrow, Talk Money with Tom on YouTube. You can join me. You can ask questions. The beginning of that show, I do a summary for what I saw happening for the week. So I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much.